Squad, baby. Rex, J Sands.
Let's go.
Oh, say I'm say you are complete to me, I get you. By the way that you move and the way that you smile. Say, oh my Dorima, baby, you be giving your hand, I'll take you anywhere. You give me something that I never had. Cause you care, but about to me and the family. Say, why you waiting on me to talk to you? Yeah, I'ma listen what y'all say, yeah. Don't move out in the come here, yeah. They on the layout, oh, dirty wine, girl, dirty wine, yeah. Say, tama in, and not the bite, say,
Ia i le suafa manmalo lo tātou alii o Yesu Kiriso lo tātou whaola. E tue whaatalo whaatuai i le pa ia manmalo lo tātou atunoo i le nei aso lulu. Ia o le aso tolu se fulu le nei o iuni lua a lua se fulmalitasi. E mamoli atu le whaatalofa ia i le au whaingaluenga tatofi lo tātou atua o lo whapena o na whaafale le malu manono manu i so se tovine ma so se whaitawlanga ia walava le tau wasuina o le ipuvai o le soifua i tutono so se kalesia. Pia foi on whaatalo whatu tātou por kalama i ele nei auli i tua a sina ma tua o le tātou atunuu o lo whaia i ele whaivo le tapua inga i tutono ma o tamalawa. Ia o whenga i foi i ele atunuu i ngā luenga whenga iai i le nei lava aso. Pia foi lao no whaatalo whatu lau whainga luenga i le nei auli. So tele lava i la tau o tau wha mai a enga luenga i le nei aso le ngata foi lea. La veu to tele ua o il taimi foi ngalo le smoko wala ngo tatou tele lava le malo tatou atunu foi ngale o lo to tono ngal wenga ia ta isfulu lo itu la kamala ngai fast moko ko se fast moko ia e fa o ngo ka ko ngale me ia foi ngale ku ia o lo smoko ma mo le atu fa talo fa tatou por kalama ia ale Pacific Health Talanoa i lungo tatou ala ata le Blue TV le ngata foi le tatou Facebook page ale Pacific Health Talanoa with Lorenzo ile nei aso o fasili. O mai o Samoa ile nei aso lulu o le aso tolu se fulu o iuni lua lua futasi. To e tasi lavaia o le o nei e o mai se ka ko mio. Yeah, June is going to be gone, long gone today. Tomorrow another new month o le masina fitu o le tausanga. Ya ua faifu isi umil tatou savalinga. Ai whawhetai leo lofa malanga leo le tua. E ui lava o le nei e lungala loma le mautonu lalangi ona o COVID-19 fluiva betai o oe mahau o lo maua le ola maloloina. I ola wana o tātou por kalama. Pacific Health Talanoa ile nei aso lulu tu ina tu fo inisi o vahenga. Esel mana i o le tūlanga leo tātou pa ia o le COVID-19 fluiva. O le isi tu e mawhai ona whaiti a ile maua o oe maa ur COVID-19 fuluiva as by being active. Ina ia whapena ona awane i maua lalo lau immune system. A ia alu ilunga le ia i rakamanga fo inga le immune system a oe. Na paula vale vahenga ya fo i. E tau wha maua lunga i il tūlanga le na. O le wha mawhana whana lau tino. Is to keep yourself warm. And how? Because we are in the middle of winter. E iai tato interview fai mai o le hula fit. O le hula fit, e au ngai e te ngai o iai. E le ngata fo ina lina e maua i le soifua malolo ina i le mawhauwhau ono le fia. Ia ai maua fo ila ma le mawhanawhana o lo tino. Ia le ngata fo i lea. O le lusi ai o lo tino. Sole. O le maua i o singa kilo kalama lusi. Au le lusi kilo kalama. Ia lava singa 1 gram e lusi. E lusi e la i le tino. Mau e fia le mawhauwhau ai e alo i lunga le immune system tātou. O kamalanga, ale le i le vainga. E pala aila i le COVID-19 fuluiva sau ia tātou. O le mea tonu lava na o lo laki Samoa. Ona e vela. E whinga tā, ona sau atua i tonu i le COVID-19 fuluiva. Petai, e fia tele le COVID-19 fuluiva i le taimilia o le taumalulu. O lea e watu whautuanga i pēlu tātou atunu tautuana. Tautuana ia le tūlanga nai ofu, ia mawhanawhana lo tino, ia whapena ona e tau mwhai sina wha malo stino, a whapete mana wa le wha, alu sa ola le gym. Go to the gym for half an hour. Go to the gym for 40 minutes. I would go to the gym and you spend the first half hour talking to your mates. Mangyarakan. But anyways, ai tato interview, tato whataranoanga ma tato malo whapitoa i le nei asolulu ia o le tamaitai Cook Island Ernestina Bonzumaro o le a whasoa mai o ia i lana foi au aunanga ia pe whawhewhea on tato wo fo ina le tato te siva wala ngai hula koe fit e lua me mawai e ke fitai ma e koe hula hula Ala wasa mai le taimi se fululu minuta wa tēnei nei tūla e tolu a mai lo au tuatolo lima tu e whata lo whatu tātou porkalame e lunga o le Blue TV i le nei au uli wha mai a linga luenga a manatua upol tuspa ia e wha maoni e la mani me foi ngane au au na wha maoni ulu fole mai i le ngale leo le ri e wha maoni la unga luenga la sura nei e te tau sami me e tau mawhar KFC na nei e wanti vai le Kas kako pese foi mai kako wolo i lunga kako interview lang o lisi vai engalo vai mai when is Hula Fit? Is it tonight or tomorrow night? There's a class tonight, but we will find out. Be right back. La we fa pe si fai mai. I lo se hula le mea ka vai. E ma fai nga hula lunga la pa body e ko la lo le down body. Walanga mangkua la pa body. Ya la opposite nga le down body. But anyways, e ma fai nga hula mo lunga tatou peselen tatu e te mau lunga le YouTube to e tape a mai al tatou por kalami. Fai wele nga i se jambos fale fa malostino la sole nei. E ma fai lava ona e hula fit mai o i le fale. Mana tua e lua ia mea tāua tātou te maua mai i le tātou whatare noanga i lasore nei. O le hula, to e fit. Maua i la mare fie fio o ma fau fai mai lo mali tala fui ngā le sole. Pei te tau ona o whaapea alo e whepa. I must carry on like this every day, except for Sunday. But every day, Monday to Saturday, okay, for yaku, after 2 weeks, you will look like Beyonce. In your dreams, anyways, ia nei providers e lua ia o te fia tala noa toi fo i nei o uli. And they provide fitness classes, and they are free. Well, I'm not sure about the other one, but I know Fit Life, which is run by D65 Fitness. They offer a free bootcamp session. Oh my goodness. Did you hear me right? I said free. D65, it is total fully funded by Total Healthcare and local doctors. Asonga fua e whailewa senga I whea fo'i I Otara, male aso Lulu, male aso Whareile. Both mornings and evenings, free. Le se tupea o e totongia. They are all free. Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 6 a.m. and at 6 p.m. you can get a free fitness class, bootcamp, 1 hour. E matua I whaamalia ina lo loto e te tusakamfo ngale ke laku le ke maalili whaapea. Te koro, ai te fo ngale le whaleua, wakaralo o fu moka vevela. Meaning, wa makua I whaale Me whakau ngā o e le vasenga, luinga le tala. E whaisi tāua o le vasenga lea I le tino, fo ingale le ngata I le whaama. E whitai oe, ia ai maua I la malitulanga le peo na utaua, e maua lunga ia I muni, immune system o tāua, ia mapala aia ia COVID-19 e sau ia oe. So that is one provider. Sorry. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 a.m., 6 p.m. E whai tatou senga I Manukau Tennis Centre. No whaanga le whai I le tatou Poli X night markets I Poas Whareile. Pe taila, o ngā le whai o le Poli X. E se la le no whaanga I whai I le tatou senga on Friday night. But look up their Facebook page, C65 Fitness. Te maua inisio whamtalanga. Ia po whea no whaanga I whai la tatou senga pe tai. Tuesday, Thursday mornings, e whai I le gym mai fo I Mangele. Whai I le gym a Mangele. I le aso lua ma le astofi, asto nai. E whai I lalo lato tāmu inga I lalo la awalau papa tātou I Mangele. I lalo le Mengu Bridge. E tātou te whailo I alai I le town centre Mengu Bridge. Ia ngā ilo le tātou tāmu inga I one hanga to e whoi mai. Kua mata fo I try and start your day on a high. You know, on a buzz for ingale umangele so you're happy. You know, if you start your day right and on the right in the right way, you're not gonna run out of happy ideas, but you can save some for the next day. The second provider is Fit Family. Fit Family. Ma ngai fu tamu fainga mai ngale ale uso ya ale sio. Ia malala to fo I vahenga mala fainga luenga. I le tamu whainga lava lea ina ia maua e ainga Samoa ma ainga Pasifika. Lewa noa lea fo I whai ini tō ni kole ninga fo ina e whitaui ma tātou. O le winga lau tala. They design a program based on your needs and your expectations because not everybody is going to start at 100 kilometers per hour. O le Fit Family la. They design your program e fua I le mahalosi ma le tūlanga I mwhai ona ausia e se ainga I a pos whaala potpotonga. And that is a really good thing about Fit Family. Mānai a tele. So look them up on their Facebook page, Fit Family. Ia pe whaafsotai I a leuso ia alesio e te maua I nisio whamtalanga I le lato au nanga. But, o ma le Fit Family, o ma le Fit Life, Next up is our guest Ernestina Barnes-Umaro, all the way from Cook Islands, Aitutaki, e tala noam whaasoa mai. Ile mea fo ere ka ole hula fit, o fo ere ke, what is hula fit? But I guess you and I will find out more about hula fit after this music. But before our break, e to tasi tangata o lo whaamaunia mai le matanga ruenga le soifua maloloina, ua maua i le COVID is full but the good news is, e le o seisi mai le community, o le tangata le samalanga mai to tono le atunuu, i le aso se fulu ono o le maasina le nei, ia lewa whaamaunia le maua i le whaamai i le COVID is full ma o lo whaanofu o sea pea o ia, e to tono ono whaanga whapitoa mo whaamamama puipuinga o le whaamai. O le pōnpo, to tasi le minute le tūla is fulma lua, ia le sato e se e o tātou uso, ia le lau mua i Wellingtone, i lalo le vaenga mua po le level 1 o pupuinga o le whaamai tūsala. The whole of New Zealand is back to level 1. The whole of New Zealand, meaning New Zealand is still the safest place, the safest country, the safest nation to stay and to live in during this pandemic. You know, I really take my hat off to Jacinda Ardern and the government and the cabinet. Whainga mālo leo tu lei mai nei. Wa ana le, ya isi ang le songa so ngā ia male lei ia le pui ngō tātou. O leva ngā le skako. Pea kako woi fo i o sainga ma i ka lia ma Amerika. Millions and millions of people have been affected. Millions have died from COVID-19. I've said, lo famalanga leo le tua, o lo manuia oe, o lo manuia fo iau, ia le mafuanga na o le nā oe sila mai ai, ma e whafonga mai, ia o tamwhai atu e niso tātou waenga nai, ile soifua ma lolo ina. Remember, your health should be your priority. Your health should always be your priority langa. E maloloina ma maua oe i le fia o le mawhauwhau, o la maloloina le tino, o la maloloina le anganga, o la maloloina lo tangata atua. You will be the happiest person in the world. Can you smell? Finally, the health has come back to Blue TV. Anyways, o leo se mal Jamie, lua se fulman wha minuta na te aleo le tūla e tōlu o isi lau whai mai, you're talking too much. And you know why? Because I'm happy. Because I'm healthy. I think I'm healthy, but I'm... Ia, o lea ua i le tātou mālo whāloa ngia, o lea la tātou musika lea hula mai ai, ia o na e tā pena la ia e te whafonga mai, i le tātou whātaranoanga o le hula fet po whea foi, manukau, papatoe o taramangile, whea whaiva senga le hula fet. You and I will find out.
DJ Colga.
ki a koutou e, ko ai te manu i a kāra i ai te moe a ngā tapere. Ko au ko mariri tutu a manu, kuarere mai au i te itinga, kuarere mai au i te opunga, kuarere mai au i awa i ki ta kutua, i awa i ki ta kuaroe.
Paspi. Vincent, yo.
Ole was it Maljaimi to the West Football Valo Minute on a Sale Ole Jula Ifa. I did not lie, yeah. I did say that I was going to bring the hula fit instructor on the show today because it is really important to stay active and stay fit during the winter. Lango manu luka ko luma in front of the TV and Sky Sports and but kia ora na tātou katoa toa. Leo mafuta mai tātou malo. Joining me today is Ernestina Barnes-Umaru,
Yes.
hula fitness instructor for Hula Fit. Hula Fit is a mixture of Polynesian and Afrobeat. Yeah, I like that. It's a combination of Polynesia and Africa. Yeah. Fun, happy way of exercising, interacting with a diverse group of people from all around the community. I love that. From the community, for you and for me. Kia ora na. And for them. Yeah. Hey, kia ora na, Tina, how are you?
Kia ora na talofa. Always good to see my uso here because he's either going to be shaking or breaking.
Yeah. I'm going to go home like, with how many pieces? Oh my gosh. Anyways, Tina, a lot of guys have messaged me already. Who is Tina? Who is Tina?
Hopefully good things, Renzo.
Oh yeah, very good things. I'll tell you what, after the show, I'll show you all their texts. But anyways, tell our listeners and viewers, who is Ernestina Bonzumaro?
Alrighty. First of all, thanks for the opportunity, and also for coming on the show, especially for health. It's super important. My name is Tina, but my full name is Ernestina Pokoya Bonzumaro. I am of Cook African descent. I'm from the hometown of Maangele 275, whoop whoop. And I just love to dance, but most importantly, spread love and light through dance and get the opportunity of sharing it with my brother here and also with the community out over there.
Now, I guess people are now wondering, how does Hula Fit relate to health and well-being? I want to know, and people want to know as well, what does health and well-being mean to you, Tina?
You know what? That means everything, eh? Like, even coming in here, I had to take the time just to calm lalo for a bit and just to breathe. But I think health is everything. Like, if you're feeling good, you're looking good, you've got my pom-poms ready, you've got your t-shirt on fleek, and your girls or even the boys, when they come into a space, you're making them feel happy. So it's not all about just, drinking water, not having your burger.
Oh, okay. Put my water away.
But it's most importantly just making sure you're happy and also healthy in the inside and on the outside as well, because we can't fake that. Especially you can't fake that in front of your people as well, because they will see it like that. So I thought, it will be a great way to bring a fun, affordable way of doing hula fit. The gym culture is so expensive, but most importantly, finding ways to exercise as well is super expensive for our families. So I kicked it off initially for our wahines, our mummies, our girls, because they find it hard, I guess, exercising in front of a male figure or being around a space where you kind of like, oh my gosh, everyone's looking at me like pushing these weights or squatting and stuff. I feel like a bit akama, which means, a bit shy. So I thought, why not come into a space where you can feel free, be yourself.
Comfortable.
And it's the poly way, we like to have fun and be loud. I've never come into a space or a gym where you got your effort and you're just, okay, I get your focus, but it's very competitive. And the way we grew up, where I grew up, my family was always happy when we're exercising, or you always have someone around your family that is trying to, be the light of the party. So I'm just like, I have to put that own Pacific, even African way of exercising, because I know our people, we exercise differently, we eat differently, we look different, so we have to apply that in the way that we move. So I was like, also I was like,
Love the energy, Tina. I'll tell you what, there is nothing wrong. The program, Pacific Health Talanoa with Lorenzo, is not saying going to the gym is wrong. No, because I do go to the gym sometimes, like once a month.
I don't know about this one.
But anyways, Tina, what are your thoughts on the health and well-being of our Pacific people here in New Zealand?
I have to say, yes, we do have our restrictions around eating too much. We do have a high percentage of our diabetic, members within our families as well. I myself have family members who are affected by the way we eat. There's too much sugar, obviously, but at the same time, we can portion that. But that doesn't come... That my point of this is like how you feel. That's most important. How your well-being in terms of, are you okay? That comes into health as well. So if someone's okay, if they feel good, then they will have a willingness to eat good as well. So I think that, it's like a soup. You got to make sure everything in the soup is yummy before you can actually eat it. So if you come to a class, if you're in front of people like yourself that's supportive, you're going to be willing to do something. But if you're coming into a class, you're like, sorry, you got to be skinny to be in this class. Your hair needs to be straightened, or your hair needs to be, perfect. You got to be putting...
And your eyelashes.
Take your eyelashes off, Lorenzo. You're not allowed to put your eyelashes on when you come into my class. You put a restriction in front of people, they're going to be like, oh my gosh, that's where the shyness will come into. And I just felt like, I want to bring our community into a space where they can feel like I am, I am enough.
Tina, I love that passion where
Yeah.
you are right now. I love the passion. And I guess that's where Hula Fit come into to sort of like provide a platform, a fitness platform for our people to get well.
Yeah.
Is that right?
That is 100% right.
Is that also the reason why you feel empowered and motivated to provide this sort of fitness classes for our wahine and our ladies?
Yes. And one of the reasons why we actually initiated this was because of, the money. It's really expensive to go to a gym every week where you're paying $70 sometimes a week to do something where you can do outside, where you just need, I think for our people, it's the support, but also the openness, like of how you look and how you feel as well. When your family member sees someone within your family going to a space where they feel welcome, exercising, losing weight, they're going to be like, oh my gosh, I'm going to bring my squad, I'm going to bring my friends, and this is going to be a whole new vibe where I can just be, feel happy. So it takes, a whole community, and I have to give love back to the community as well. Without their support, without them acknowledging this type of fitness, it wouldn't be really successful as well. So I feel like, that it actually, it's the community that made this happen.
Nice.
It's the values that were inherited to me to make this happen. So that's why I always say empowerment comes from your own foundation. It comes from your family, it comes from who you bring up with. And I feel like if you can connect well with that, if you feel like that's it, like, I have someone within that space that will give me that push, you're going to be like, oh my God, you know what? I feel happy. That's what I want our girls, even the boys when they come into Hula Fit, when I go into the schools as well, they feel like, oh man, I feel confident and I feel happy.
Man, that's one thing I love about Hula Fit, because it is run by the community for the community.
Right.
And there's a Samoan phrase or Pacific phrase that goes like, it takes a village or a community to raise a child or a family. So, and I guess that's what Hula Fit is all about. It's all about family. They cater their classes around your needs. You're not going to be judged. Because that's one thing that stops other people from going to the gym.
I'll just judge Lorenzo.
Oh yeah, judge me, but I just gotta keep going to Hula Fit and gym. But you know what? You gotta do something about it. Let's stop talking about it, but be about it.
Yeah,
Be that
yeah,
change.
yeah.
Be that difference. Because a small change that will eventually grow. Tina, what are some of the challenges that you have endured? During your journey and starting up the Hula Fit.
To be completely honest, it's not really, I guess, the people and stuff. It's trying to get the information out to them and trying to get our people to feel welcome. So much doing the stuff, doing the dancing, doing the fitness, doing everything is A-okay. But I guess it's just letting our people know it's okay to exercise in our own poly-indigenous way, because you can lose weight at that as well. You don't need to waste... I think that's been a challenge. Yeah, you don't need to waste your money at a mainstream gym or going to a place where you're just losing so much. I used to, and I'm saying that because I experienced that. I went to Jet and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm wasting my money. I could be hitting the gym. Hitting the mount. I could be using my fields that are just literally outside of my house and getting equipment such as stuff that you can get affordable from either Kmart or warehouse, or even using stuff at home like bricks, where I learned that from my brother because he does a lot of gymming and all of that stuff. So he told me you can use sacks, you can use fruits, you can use being creative.
Body weight,
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can use that, and you can even use the big sack of rice and stuff and putting that into plastic bags. It's just being creative and having fun with it. The whole hype with Hula Fit came from me dancing everywhere and doing all these things, but I saw that there was a need within the community. Okay, I got the blessing, that's great, but then now you got to pass that out and see how you can touch other sisters out there, and then eventually became boys, elders, and just the whole family that came through. So it's fun.
Tina, I see that you brought your earrings with you. Sorry, look how big Tina's earrings are. What are those for, Tina?
So in our Gugalan tradition, these are called titi maile. And this is handmade as well from our aunties, our mamas
So
especially, but even our young people, our mapus. I'm still learning how to make these things. So this is really good. We use this on our hips. So Renzo is going to probably put this on probably in front of the camera or not in front of the camera and start shaking, but it's usually for the girls. And the good thing is you can use this as costume as well. So even if it's around your hips, you can put it on the side and even wear it as something like, creative. But this is just Cook Island costumes. You can even bring like your own ethnicity to the table. Like you can bring like our Samoans, our Tongans, our Niueans, our Maoris, our, Chinese, even Indians. They have their own different arts and craft. And that's why I was saying Hula Fit is about bringing an indigenous look into fitness and putting your spark to it and owning it as well. So, it's just...
But don't rock up to Hula Fit with your donga and your tauwala.
If you do that...
Yeah. Anyways, Tina, now I did ask about the challenges, but I guess... Is finance one of the challenges for you?
Yeah.
Like getting the venues, paying for it? Let's make some noise because I'm sure someone from MPP, someone from the Ministry of Health is watching this show right now. Someone like Tina who is offering this free service to our community. Come on, MPP. Come on, the ministry. Show us the money, for someone that's doing a really awesome job for our ladies. Come on. They keep saying, let's help our people, let's help our community. But when we do come up with some reluctance, they go missing. Oh my gosh. I'm so going to get fired.
Cuckoo. No, I love this. Thank you also for bringing up the question. And I have to say and be honest as well, I did message the brother. I was saying yesterday, it's up and running now, but it's quite hard trying to facilitate this hula fit in other areas that are needed, like Rewa, out west, Otara, when you only have 2 dancers and 2 tutors. Also the facility as well. You're lucky enough to even get a space because sometimes they will give it to you for free because, you're all about free fitness. Yeah. But I want to take this into schools. I want to take this out to festivals and like take it out even outside of town centers and stuff where you can just show fitness in another way. And that's another one as well. I think the knowledge around trying to get finance for it, that's something new to me because we're so used to just doing it for free. That's been the mindset because it's, we don't really do things to get something like out of for your own benefit. But when it comes to a service that you're trying to bring stuff back to make the, I guess, fitness even better for other people to enjoy, that's when we also need finance as well. So that's a big one. That's a big one.
Tina, I really do hope that one of the local board members is watching this interview right now because if you are running a show, if you're running a free session in Mangere Otahu, then the Mangere Otahu local board should be funding this initiative. If you're running one in Otara, the Otara Papatoa local board should be funding this initiative. And if you want to take it out west, the Fau local board, the Massey local board, the Henderson local board. Come on, guys. Let's work together because Tina is providing a free service that benefits your people. The taxpayers that are putting the money into the bank for our local boards. Am I right, Tina?
2 right there, 2 right. First thing that I agree with Lorenzo.
You as a broadcaster, how do you manage your time, man? Like, you have classes every day, and then you as a broadcaster on Radio 531 PI, how do you manage your time?
I think it comes down to how passionate are you about these things. Yeah. Are you just doing it for the fun of it, and are you doing it for the love of it, or are you doing it to actually leave empowerment within the community? And yes, I'm going to be honest, my timing as well with doing everything sometimes does get chaotic. It does get like that, but I still make sure the class is done. So, and also, yes, the USA, brothers bring the USA, you got to sometimes have time for yourselves, but this is my time where I can actually enjoy and
give back.
Yeah, and give back, but also bring some calmness to your crazy, chaotic life as well. Hula Fit is not about intensity. It's not about competition. It's about a space where girls, guys, all diversity can come and just be themselves and have a space where you can just notch it down.
Tina, if any of you guys, if you have a broken heart, that can be healed at Hula Fit. Because the hula fit will just shake it off and hula away all the way somewhere in Waiheke Island. Take that stress and take that broken heart to Waiheke Island or Bay of Islands and leave you alone. Hey, in the name of Jesus Christ. Anyways, any final comments, final message for our young people?
I just want to give a massive shout out to the also here, but also behind the camera as well. He's looking bright in yellow.
He could be
but
one
also
of your instructors. Yeah, he's awesome.
To this amazing platform for giving us a voice to share our beautiful Indigenous Pacific way of fitness. And to those that are tuning in right now, come through. The classes are free every Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday, we're down at Mangere East Community Centre. Tomorrow, we're going to be at the Otahu Youth Space. And you can also jump in on our Facebook page as well. If you have any questions, if you're too shy, I come out to comment to Lorenzo because he's just laughing too hard at you right now on camera. But fam, we're here for you and support this amazing platform, Health Talanoa, that's low. And also Pacific Blue as well. Let's go, fam.
That's it. Thank you so much, Tina. Thank you, Meitaki Maata, for coming on the show and share your experience and your skills, your talents, and your calling. Because to be very honest, spiritually, that is a calling because it brings healing to our people. So thank you so much for your service to our community. And I really do hope that one of the local board members, even the Minister of Pacific People, the Minister of Health, the whole cabinet, if you are friends with any of those people, please tag them in this interview brought to you by Total Healthcare, PHO, local doctors, and Blue TV. Thank you so much for joining us today. We'll see you Friday because tomorrow me and Tina are going to be on Radio 531 PM. Thank you so much. I love you so much, Samoa.
DJ Junior.
Your earring.
Esquire, baby. Rex, Jay Sands.
Oh, say I'm an say you are complete to me, I get you. By the way that you move and the way that you smile. Say, oh my Dorima, baby, you be giving your hand, I'll take you anywhere. You give me something that I never had. Cause you care, but about to me and the family. Say, why you waiting on me to talk to you? Yeah, I'ma listen what y'all say. Yeah, don't move out in and come here. Yeah, they on the layout, dirty wine, girl, dirty wine. Yeah, say, I'm in and not the bite to get out. Say,